pros, it's Patrick the Pro. Would you like to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube very quickly. Before we begin, I would like to tell you something. Make sure you leave a like, leave a nice comment, make sure you subscribe, and click the bell to get the notifications whenever I upload something, okay? Oh, you've done it already? Cool. Hope you'll enjoy. First thing you need to do is to get yourself a Rubik's Cube. Obviously, right? You need also one small thing that I'm going to mention in the next clip. Let's go.
Now carefully place the Rubik's Cube anywhere, and now we can start solving it. The easiest way to solve the Rubik's Cube is by smashing it. Just smash it. Just smash it, man. Just smash it. Just smash it. Just smash everything. Yeah, that's right. Just smash everything. And there you go, pros. Rubik's Cube is officially solved.
Well, this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, make sure you show that video to everyone. To your family, to your friends, or even to your dog. Okay? Well, thank you so much for watching, and well, I'll see you next time, pros. Goodbye.
Just me.